Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we explore real-time Salesforce Marketing Cloud use cases, calculating our hourly wages using the divide function. So, this case will show how HR teams can automatically calculate employees' hour wages based on their base salary and total monthly working hours. So, this is similar of my previous videos. Only difference is we have using the different functions. So, for your knowledge purpose and practicing. So here we are highlighting the key highlights is automated hourly wages calculations using MP scripts, interactive cloud page for employees to verify their wages, dynamic email communications to keep employees informed. So yeah, this is all about the our use cases. So let's dive in. So scenario is like the HR team wants to determine the hourly wages of employees based on their base salary and a standard working month of 160 hours. Solution is using MP script divide functions. We dynamically calculate the hourly wages and display it in an email and cloud pages. So first we are going to the cloud page and see how it works. So first we are retrieving employee email from the cloud page URL. Second, look up employee salaries details from employees salary data extensions, and third one is recalculate hourly wages using divide functions and display confirmation from for employees to verify their wages. And of course this is we are using HTML code also with the MP script. So here is the code, and cloud page features is employees details and calculated wage are displays and confirmation buttons to approve the wage. So yeah, this is all about the cloud page code related information. So next we will see the code. And in the email code content there is hourly wages calculation and cloud page links. So how it works, first one is we will retrieve the base salary and employee details from the employee salary data extension data, and second one is use divide function to calculate the hourly wages, and third step is generate a personalized cloud page URL for employees to confirm their wages. So yeah, of course, and link the cloud page ID also according to which is appropriate ID of our cloud base. So it is the when we are going to the email preview, then base salary is like formatted number, base salary is, and hourly wages is like a formatted number, hourly wages, and cloud base link to verify salary details. So yeah, this is all about the email related code, which we will see in our code in the practically. So this is all about the email related code. Now, key benefits of in these use cases is like why this use case is unique and valuable. So, it's a key benefits like a real-time wages calculation for salary transparency, eliminates manual calculations, reducing errors, engaging employee experience through like interactive cloud bases, scalable solutions for any business with salaried employees. And would you like to us to add an email confirmation after clicking the confirm hourly wages buttons? So, let us know in the comments. So, it's a calculation like that's a wrap up on our hourly basis calculation using divide functions in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So if you found this video is useful, then give me a thumbs up for more amazing SFMC videos, and if got questions, then drop them in the comment below. Stay tuned for more SFMC magic. Thank you.